Hello friends, today we're going to be doing a fun unboxing thanks to our friends over at Bullsitoy. They sent over an entire box of Squish Ums, and it looks like these are from the Miraculous animated series. And I don't know about you guys, but I love this show. I am a watcher, and I love these little Kwamis. I cannot believe this is what we're going to be unboxing. Squishy Kwamis. So let's see what we can get here. I am super excited to open these. Do you watch this show? If so, let me know down in the comments. Who is your favorite character? What do you like most about this show? And how long have you been watching? So with this unboxing, I'm going to try and do as many Squish Ums as I can. And then you can find the rest over on YouTube Shorts. Here we go. Who do you think is going to be our first Kwami? We've got Plaid. Look at these eyes and his little fangs there. And you know what he likes to eat with those? Cheese. But look at the tail and the little hair he's got going on. And we all love his snark, and he's so cute. Awesome. All right. Okay, we've got the Miraculous Squish Ums collector sheet, and there you see Plaid right there. And let's see, we've got all of them right here, just like it showed on the box of who we can collect. I really want to get Tiki, and there's Plaid. I am so excited to see what else we get. We'll let Plaid hang out right over here, and we will find Plaid a new friend. Are you ready? Could it be Tiki? I don't know. I started to open it. Let's see. We have Dusu, the peacock Kwami. Oh my gosh. And look, they did a really good job with the peacock feather. Look at Dusu's eyes. So cute. I like these. They seem like slow rise squishies. They really do have great bounce back action. All right, Dusu, you sit there, and let's get into another one. I still am looking for Tiki. I can't really see if I can see inside. We have Trix. Trix is the fox. I love Trix's costume for whoever uses her Kwami. Okay, we've got our little fox ears. We've got some beautiful purple eyes, a little smirk on her face. Let's go ahead and mark off what we got. The one thing I forget to do in my unboxings all the time is to mark off what I've got. So we could go ahead and mark off Trix. And we can mark off Dusu. And we can mark off Plaid. Hey, maybe we'll get lucky and we won't get any duplicates. Again, there are 8 Kwamis to collect. And right now we've opened 3. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put Trix down over there. All of our Kwamis are hanging out right here, waiting to see which other friends are we going to let out. So let's see. Yay! Oh my gosh, I am so happy. We have Tiki. Oh, I love Tiki. Of course, I love Tiki. I think Tiki is my favorite. Tiki is so sweet. I mean, I really think they're all so sweet. Look at Tiki's little tail. Tiki is the Ladybug Kwami. What is this? Okay, Tiki's got some spots, some black spots with red, just like a ladybug. And look at the way they sit. I like the way they have them sitting like that. Hi, Tiki, you are my favorite, and you are so cute. Okay, let's check the squish factor. Look at these, so nice and squishy and so nice and smooth, and they just squish up so tiny. Okay, we're having too much fun with Tiki. Let's go on to the next one. Now we can cross off Tiki. Yay! Who are we hoping for this to be? It looks a little bit orange. I can't tell, but maybe I think it's a dupe. I think it's Trix again. Ah, I knew it. It is Trix. Well, because we got a duplicate, you know what that means. I'm going to want to try my luck one more time to see what I get. I want to know if I can get another Kwami that I don't have. Here we go. Yay! Oh my gosh, we got waves. How cute. We've got the turtle. Look at this. How cute. I love this. Is this, you guys, is this an antenna? What is this? Oh my gosh, look at the little turtle shell and the little stance that it takes, the way it's sitting. So cute. I love the eyes, and you can barely see because I can't pick it up on camera. They've got a little tiny mouth, a little smirk. I don't know what it is. So squishy, so soft. I'm so glad I opened this extra one. I'm so happy I got something different. Okay, let's mark this off. There we go. And with that, friends, I don't want to make this video too long. Look at what we've got. If you want to know if I'm going to finish my collection here, I've got 3 more to go. Go ahead and check out our shorts on our short form content and see what we've got. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Bye.